Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about makeup brushes. Now being a beginner, I have always used my finger to blend foundation, concealer, all other makeup products. Because simply put, makeup brushes are very confusing. There are so many different sizes, shapes. But then I realized that using makeup brushes actually makes your makeup look a lot more professional, more precise. The finish you get of your makeup is entirely a different game. That's why I have finally invested in this Sigma brush set. This is slightly on the expensive side if you see for brushes. It costed me around 8,000, that too in the sale. So you can imagine how expensive these brushes are. Today in this video, I'm going to show you all the face brushes. Otherwise, it's going to be very long. We are going to see the foundation brush, concealer brush, powder brush, blending brush, and then this one more angled contour brush. This is how the set looks like. It has a lot of face brushes and eye brushes. So let's start with the demo of this concealer brush. This is F70 concealer brush, and this is how the bristles are. They're very soft and dense, and generally the Sigma brushes, they don't absorb the product. So let's see how it gives us the coverage. And let's blend it. This is a very precise brush, so if you're blending, you have complete control over it. You can see how beautifully it blends your product into your eye, and this completely avoids the cakey look. There's no buildup of concealer in your eyes. So the brush helps you to kind of spread it all over very evenly and precisely. Alright, so for foundation, we have these two brushes from Sigma. This one is basically for the application. So the code is F60 foundation brush, and you can see again how good the bristles are. They're dense, at the same time they're very soft and easily bends over. So this is a good sign. The dual fiber brush from Sigma F50. This is a blending brush, so you can use it to blend the foundation, to blend your compact. Let's see the demo of this brush, the foundation brush. This is F60 again, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to put foundation on this. You can see so easily you can take it anywhere. So even if you don't have a blending brush, this completely does the job. Bristles should be nice and they should bend over like this. So when you're taking your foundation, it goes everywhere. It helps to build up the coverage. This becomes difficult with finger for sure. If this brush leaves a harsh line, like somewhere it's not completely, settled, your foundation is not properly settled, this is where it's going to help, because you can just completely buff your foundation. Let's move to our next brush, which is the contouring brush. So this is Sigma F40 angled contour brush. This is how it looks like. Let's see the demo. I've got some product over here. Let's tap it. It's not very edgy or sharp, so you can use it to blend as well like this. Here is our last brush. You can see how beautiful it is. This is a powder brush. So this is F30 large powder brush. Somebody like me who has a small face, I feel the head is a bit, big. However, let's try it and see. I'm going to use a compact powder for this. Tap, 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 tap. Just kind of, set your face with powder like this. It's so big, but it doesn't feel like it's hitting my face. Maybe for somebody like me who has a small face, the head could be a bit smaller. That's the only thing I feel. So let me also show you the blush application, and I'm using this brush for blush application. So this is the beauty of these makeup brushes, that they give you a very natural looking finish, and it doesn't look like you've put in too much of blush, too much of highlighter, too much of contouring shade. Everything looks subtle. So that's why you need these makeup brushes. I have used Sigma brushes before, so I know they were great. And yeah, that's it. I wanted to show you guys how the brushes can be used on your face for different purposes. These were the face brushes. I'll put another video in which I'm going to show you all the eye brushes as well. I hope this video helped you to get some clarity on makeup brushes. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can leave the comments, hit the like button, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.